Cody, what are we going to do today?
Clean. Clean. And ready for me to write down.
This new thing?
Yeah.
You liked it?
I did like it, but you are right. If it had
More in it, the
surface
middle
area.
Yeah.
With all my heart to fly with dragons in a land of fart.
What?
Yes. Oh yeah, blue, since the day we parted, but I said blue, since the day you farted. Why? I'm so funny.
Cody, I'm gonna have you do the mirrors. I'm too short to reach them.
That's fine.
That's fine?
It's fine, I can get it.
You can get it?
I can get it because you cannot.
Listen. I may be small, but I'm feisty.
That's all you got going for you, so.
That's all I have going for my. Okay, thanks, Cody.
You're welcome.
Oh, goodness gracious.
I almost turned the shower on me, so that would have been karma.
Okay. You know.
And my energy drink.
It's hot. What are you doing?
Getting the corners that machine, I call it a machine, that this brush couldn't get. Little corners. Oh, no. I know this is a special kind of stainless steel. This is touchless, meaning that it doesn't really leave any fingerprints. But the trick with stainless steel is you wipe it in the direction that the green's going. Just a little tip.
Cutie pie, sweetheart. Yeah.